Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your ASUS Zenfone 7, at the first you have to go for your Instagram account. You have to be logged into your account, and after that you have to pick the photo that you want to download. I will go for this one. After that we have to jump to the Play Store, click on the search pool and type repost for Instagram. We have to get this application from Kimsey929. Let's get it. Right now let's open, and as you can see we get two ways to save the pictures, so 3 dots and share button. Let's try one of them. I'm going for the 3 dots, click share to, select repost for Instagram application, and right now go back for this app and just simply click on the photo. We can take off the signature by clicking right here and then tap on the middle button. And as you can see, it will save to the gallery. So right now let's open our gallery, and as you can see right now, here we get the photo that we download from Instagram. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. So yeah,